Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Stacy and this is Miss Aria. We're going to be doing another cute, fun, simple toddler / young girl hairstyle for you guys. And we're going to call this one V Braids into High Pigtails. If you enjoy this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. And click subscribe down below if you're new here. We would really love to have you as part of our little YouTube family. Now without any further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. Okay, so to start this style, I've just parted her hair from the tops of her ears across and then down the middle to where that part is. And then I place these sections in pigtails and this one in a small little pony. Now we're going to take this little pony section here and we're going to split it in half. We're going to create regular 3-strand braids with these halved sections. Okay, I've braided down near the end and I'm going to temporarily secure this with a small elastic while I do another 3-strand braid with this section. And I'm just going to secure this one as well. Now we have our 2 little braided sections and we're just going to bring them up and add them into these pigtails so you can see the braid will make a V. Okay, so I'm just pulling this one up, laying it right over top of that elastic, and then I'm going to take a larger hair tie and secure it to the pigtail. Then I'm going to remove the small elastic I had holding the braid and undo any of the braid that was left. And same thing on this side. Now, if you're working with hair that has some curl to it like hers, I'm just going to spray some water and comb that through so that the ends of that braid will blend in with the rest of the pigtail. And that's the finished style. Give them a little spin. See how the braids form a V shape? And then they connect to your super cute pigtails. So yeah, really cute, fun, simple, and whenever she wears her hair like this, she gets a lot of compliments on it. We really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. We would really appreciate that. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Sugar&Spice Hairstyles. Those will be linked in the description bar down below. And that's going to be all for this one, guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.